Hello, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss about the client-side rendering and caching in Next.js 15. So I have created a page and CS rendering, name is CS rendering, and this is the page. Here I am rendering some dynamic from the AP random API. I am rendering some data over here, you see, and it has not been cached, you see, it's changing randomly. It's changing randomly. Okay. So, and you can make sure that the data is not being cached by going over here, network, and if you reload the page once again, you see that no store must revalidate. Okay, so it's not storing, and you need to two things you have to consider. I have written, I don't know where it is. Okay, so you will get another thing when it is cached. Okay, it's not here. So okay, I'm keeping it here. So it's not been cached and it's changing, you see, it's changing. That is changing randomly, okay. But now it's time to have a client-side rendering, and I have declared it use client as I have already used use state and use effect, and we have the interactions. So it could not be a server-side rendering. It should be a client-side rendering. That's why you have to declare use client. Otherwise, use state use effect will not work. Okay, and this is providing some random APIs. So I have shown you the output. So now I will show you two things in front of you. One thing is that it's static, how client-side rendering is taking place, and it's we need to cache the data. Okay, so to cache the data, we need to give cache force cache. So you can see the output over here sometimes. Otherwise, you have to make sure you have built it, otherwise it will not give you perfect result. And let's see it's been cached or not. If not, we'll go for not cached, no store, still no store. Okay, and it's still changing, though I have used cache force cache. And you know, Next.js have some changes. Previously in Next.js 14, Next.js uses face requests are no longer cached by default, but previously it was cached by default. But from next 15 they are not caching by default. You have to give these directives cache force cache. Okay, okay, so let's go, and it's changing, still changing. Okay, they're getting random data, they're providing random data, you see. Again I am reloading. Okay, and cache control, no store. So even though I have used force cache, but it's not caching. So let's go for build, npm run build. It will take a little bit of time. You need to give time and wait. After that, we are coming back. Okay, CS rendering, and it's a static file. Rendering is a static file, and if you go over here, you will see from the server app CS rendering. You see this is CS rendering. Okay, and if we run npm run start, I hope this time we'll see it will cache. Okay, let's reload the page. Okay, and this time I hope it will cache. You see CS rendering, you see cache control. Yeah, this time it's X message. Previously it was you see cache control is totally different. And you get another new thing is X Nextjs cache sheet. If you find these two things, it means that this data has been cached. So cache control X max is stale while revalidate and X Nextjs cache. So it has been cached. So if I am taking the screenshot and if I reload, you see it's cached. It's not changing. These three things in the middle portion 3 and Ronnie word. You see, same, totally same. Again, I am reloading. Same. Again, I am reloading. Same. You see, same. Okay, how many times you reload, it doesn't matter, it will cache. So, and along with that, we got static. Still now the circle sign is saying that this data is static, rendered as a static content. Okay, and this is client side rendering. So basically, web browser will initially load the empty HTML file and JavaScript and style, which are loaded after. So basically, these things are happening over here. At the build time, they're sending blank HTML, and in the browser, they are sending the empty HTML, and later this style sheet and JavaScript comes, and later it has been rendered. But by this time, Google crawler comes and he finds nothing. You can see, go to the page source. You find these things over here. These things are needed by Google crawler for search engine optimization. You will not get any. So it's happening static. Okay, so till now everything is static. The circle sign is saying it's static. Okay, and next tutorial we will discuss about the server side rendering. Okay, thank you very much, and data has been cached. Again, I am reloading. You see, middle. So it's same. It has been cached, and you can show also by going over here. I am showing you once again that you can, at the start of the video I show that you will not find these things. Cache control, you will get like that, and you get a new thing, X Nextjs cache. If you find heat and cache control this message, it means that your data has been cached. So thank you very much. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned, stay connected. See you soon. A little bit announcement. You can get a tremendous and superb course. This is my course. One stack TypeScript, e-commerce, Docker, RTKquery, and along with deploy. It's a nice and huge course. So its price is $44, but I can give you for my students, I can give it only $9. Okay, so it will last for 5 days, but it will get, you will get $9. If the course is needed, you can contact with me, just $9.99. Okay, so it's a super course, tremendous course. So you will able to learn a lot of things. You will get TypeScript, e-commerce, Docker, RTK query, and deployment. So it is built on React 9.18, Node.js 20, and role-based automatic redirect. So I will give the discount link and coupon code and course link in the description box. You can come and check, and don't hesitate to grab the course. Thank you very much.